Guys,
Oh, sorry.
one place for the camera. It's Rihanna and Chloe, and today we're going to be belching. I'm bad at belching. She's really good at belching.
We're not really good at belching. We're not really good at belching. You look at our yarn on that side yard. Don't worry. Okay. We're clear. Okay. Peace. Right now we're in a log cabin, as you can see. There's wood there, everywhere. Okay. So, we will start with Rihanna starting.
Wait, because you should.
Actually, I'll just go get some more. You wait there and entertain our viewers. Do something.
No. So, yeah, my name is Rihanna. I'm cousins with Chloe. I think she just fell. And yeah, you can hear our granddad in the background in our videos. Because he is very grumpy and he's in bed. So, yeah. That's him here. But that's like a year ago. I don't know when that was. He's the one. That one, I think. He's that one. In the black suit. This camera's really bad. I think she's coming now. There she is. There she is. Go. Yeah, you got two of them. Oh god. One for me and one for her. She's coming right here. She's a ghost. I'm back. Here, slide it in.
Okay. This is just a cup of water. Oh, I can't even see my face. Wait, I don't know.
Boy, you got that boom, boy, you got that super face. Sorry, guys.
Just opening a window.
Yeah, get some air.
Right, it gives us more light.
Yeah.
Now you might hear birds.
Yeah.
That's nature. Okay, so you go first.
Okay, so my drink. I'm not gonna drink all of it.
Drink number one. I'm making it better. Now I'm trying to do the biggest breath. Belch. Whatever you want to call them.
Oh my god!
Okay, my turn.
I'm so back.
Okay.
Where did you hear her? Oh my god.
I'm starting in a movie, Jurassic World.
She's one of the
dinosaur.
I don't curse. Well, even though I do it, but just in videos for kids. Well, even though we are kids, we kind of know stuff off our brothers that are older brothers. Hey. The bold one. She's Sam.
That was Sam Cat. Okay. Now, I need to get ready. Okay? Well, I'll put my two hands here so I'm not touching the screen or anything for. So my two hands are here, right here.
Hey, what is that water on it?
I don't know what I can do now.
She can't do it because it's just after doing it in the other video.
I know.
That's proof.
That was terrible.
That wasn't good.
Okay,
That wasn't
I
good.
win for the next one. Go.
This is gonna be hard.
Oh my god.
This could make us sick, so don't laugh. Well, laugh at the belches, but don't laugh at the end if you do get sick. Because belching could make you get sick. Get the belching.
Two hands are here.
And boy, you got that boom with a boy. I got that super. What is that super bass? Okay, it's gonna stop. That's like my best one so far. Oh, it's been 5 minutes already.
It took us 5 minutes to do 3 Belching.
Right, I don't know. Well, actually 6. Because both of us.
No? That's 5.
Boy, you got that.
Okay, that wasn't as good.
What was kind of good? Like, quicker than some of days. Mine.
Just letting you know I'm a tomboy.
So am I.
We're not like, I'm blonde. I want my nails done.
Yeah. We're
I
like,
need to get new foundation, Daddy. My one's running out.
we're like,
Fuck off.
it's like Dublin, oh god. Fuck off.
No, literally, I wear
Oh, yeah, but it's not really happened. There's a shark in the water.
There's a shark in the water.
Stop one day, please.
Now, I'll show you our nature's house. So I see the
That's the log cabin. I live up there, and this is my nanny's house. I live up there. We're just like getting an extension, so it's kind of grey. Boy, you got that home, I like that. That's a mobile home that nobody lives in. We're trying to sell that. I'm like,
and there's like uptowns or whatever.
okay.
Now,
My bad.
sorry. It was Rihanna's house, but I just had to let it out.
That was like my worst song.
Okay.
I'm so done with
Okay.
60 steps that she put. Oh, these 2 girls in Neve and Adrian, if you're watching, they can't beat them with toys. Cannot beat them with toys. Cannot.
Challenge it any day, Neve and whoever you are.
Adrian.
Neve.
Neve's in my class.
Oh gosh. Okay. Anyways.
And all you got that boom, where you got that
Okay.
super
Bye.
bad.
Let's say bye in a big belch.
Yeah. Oh, a man can do Bill sure got like Belching.
Cool.
Alphabet with Belching.
Bye.
I'm gonna try to do that.